Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are looking at a new one, Whis Inu. Already pumping situation, 30 minutes ago listed on CoinGecko. And you can find this token for sure on Uniswap. If you want to see more of these videos, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave me a like, and maybe write down in the comments what you think about this project. WhisInu.io is their website. You can find here some links. Join the Telegram group, and for sure you can purchase this little green rockets on Uniswap. What is Whis Inu? Whis Inu is the first of its kind community-driven token which utilizes marketing funds to aid into successful anime projects in hopes of using the profits as buybacks and rewards, as well as helping other communities pump along with ours. Drug free! That sounds nice, guys. Whis Inu will keep contributing to achieve design holders' milestone by making marketing efforts, thus making sure Whis Inu is on track. Also liquidity locked for 1 month initially. Furthermore, our tokenomic design, which incorporates transaction taxes, will keep building the price floor. Here you have the link to the chart. We will look the chart for sure. Couple of seconds. Roadmap launched from Earth, already listed on CoinGecko. Coin market cap, I think, will come also, or they're already listed. Guys, let me know. Mass market cap, Whis Inu merchandise line, tier 1x TikTok influencers. That's nice, guys. Hold on the TikToks. 10,000 holders, 25, and for sure they aim to have more than 50,000 holders. This looks pretty nice. The tokenomics, 10% buy, sell, 1% redistribution, 5% marketing. You need that, guys. Advanced marketing strategy to have a forever rise with unlimited funding. How does Whis Inu work? Whis Inu taxes a total of 21% on transactions, which we call a round trip. A 1% redistribution fee for every purchase made. Exciting holders will receive Whis Inu tokens. Is liquidity locked? Yes, liquidity is locked. Our contract address has been verified on Etherscan. So that's all for now, guys. I can just show you the Telegram group. They have here 338 members right now and 100 online. If you have some questions, step into that group and maybe they answer your questions. And I'm quite sure they will, because they are already very active group. And I could find even here a little video of someone of the development team. So they show also their face and they are not afraid to do it, right? This is what we all wish, guys. A little bit transparency in this scene, right? There are so many scams, and my community, I show them every day some newbies here, right? Some meme tokens, and I also don't know where these guys are going, right? I just show them, and I hope every time I show a new project, this will be the one which drives my community to the moon. And what we have here right now is a little pumping situation. This token is already listed some couple of hours on the blockchain, already active, but listed 30 minutes on CoinGecko. Here, this little pump, and man, I don't know. I cannot tell you throw all your money inside. I always tell you a little bit, right? And then we will see what happens in future. Already invested $117,000 And market cap, market cap always sounds a little bit better than the reality is. But the price is very low, so if you put here 10 bucks inside, you can purchase a lot of tokens, right? And now you have many guys who here even throw 1 ETH inside and purchase a lot of this token. 1.0, 1.0, you can see some guys here say, okay, I trust this project, I like it, so they throw more money inside than we expect. So let me know what you think about Whis Inu. I think every little token starts from zero, and one day it can be on the 11th place on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Right now in 11th place market cap is Shiba Inu, guys, and you know how it starts, right? As a small little meme token. And we have here a small project right now at the beginning, but with some guys behind. They are not afraid to show their faces, and this is what is important into the scene. So let me know what you think about this project into the comments right down, and maybe leave me a like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits, guys, and see you in the next video. Until then, I wish you all the best. Bye.